Hello, good people. Welcome back to Scenic, your PV guide to gems in Kenya. Now, if you thought episode 1 of Murang'a's countryside was breathtaking, episode 2 is about to blow your mind. We are going deeper in the Murang'a highlands, and trust me, the views just get better. So last time we caught a glimpse of the Aberdares in the distance. Today, we are getting up close and personal with those majestic ridges and wait until we venture into the upper parts of Rwathia and Kanyenyaini woods, where your teeth farms blanket the hillsides. But there's more. If you've been following the Momo Road project, you have to stick around because you document the actual progress happening on the ground. This episode ends at Tuthu, where we detoured to the grave of Karuri or Gakure, the chief who opened to those doors to Consolata, missionaries. So if you're hungry for stunning landscapes and a slice of Kenya's tea farming, this is for you. And please subscribe for more of Kenya's POV. Let's go.